Donkeys are known for their unconditional love. No matter what happens, they always greet you with a wagging tail and a happy face. Whenever I come home from school, my dog jumps with excitement, showering me with kisses. It makes me feel loved and cherished. Dogs are incredibly loyal animals. They form strong bonds with their owners and will do anything to protect them. My dog follows me everywhere I go. Whether I'm playing in the backyard or studying in my room, my dog always is by my side. I know I can trust my dog with my secrets, and it will never betray me.